Hello everyone, I'm Moulya from mcluvcrafts. Today I am here to show you my jewelry collection that I have in stock on my website www.mcluvcrafts.com. So I'm currently having all these earrings that I'm showing to you in stock. So let me start with this one. So these earrings are basically dangles, as you can see, uh, and they have this drops which have a sparkly center. This is kind of lavender sparkly center, and it has this grayish silver border. This grayish silver part is like a border to this center sparkly lilac part, and this is how it looks from the side. So the center lavender part, it comes a little bit further. I hope you can see this. And these are quite sparkly because I've used glitters to cover this center part, so these are quite sparkly, and they may look quite heavy, but actually they are very lightweight because they are made of polymer clay. Polymer clay is very lightweight once it's baked, so these are very light in weight, so they don't hurt your ears in any way. Now I have the same design in different colors. This is the one in lavender, and this is a pink one. This is my personal favorite because I love pink. So this has a pink sparkly center, and it has this grayish silver border, as you can see, and this is the same design as well. This is a dangle as well. And now I have the same model in green, this light green color. So this is almost a mint green, and it has the same grayish silver border, okay, with this design, and it is a dangle as well, very lightweight. And the next one I have in this beautiful blue color. I hope the camera is able to focus what I'm showing. So this is in beautiful blue color with this grayish silver background, grayish silver border. They're quite sparkly. And the next one I have is this beautiful one. This has got a red center. The base is red, but then I used an orange glitter on top, and the border comes in gold color, beautiful gold color. This is like one of those ethnic jewelry pieces. It looks quite stunning in person, and I hope the camera is able to pick up the sparkliness of these earrings. And they are quite lightweight as well. They may look chunky, but they are very lightweight as they are polymer clay. And again, this is a dangle. Now the next set of earrings that I'm going to show are in teardrop shape. So if you see these these are like these are not teardrops. I can't remember this shape. Okay, so this is a different shape, whereas these are teardrops, a little smaller, but again they have a sparkly center and this border. So this one has a red sparkly center, and it has a pearl white border, as you can see. This one is my mom's favorite. She likes the pearl. She likes the pearl color basically. So I'm sure there are many fans for the pearl color. So I hope you like this design. And then the same teardrops I have in a different color, the purple sparkly center with this sort of grayish silver border. Okay, all these earrings have a sparkly center. As you can see, everything has got sparkle. And now this one has got, it's a little different. It has a pink. This is not red. This is looking red, but this is actually a pink. It's got a pink sparkly center and it's got this mint green border. I hope the camera is picking up. So yeah, this one has got a sparkly center with mint green shiny border. And the next one in the teardrop is this beautiful pink one. So this is a teardrop as well. This one's got the same pink color as the previous earring that I showed. Same pink center, but this one has got like a lavender, in a light lavender color. So yeah, this is the collection that I want to show today. There are many more earrings and necklace designs I have in the shop, but I'll show them later. So all these earrings come under one design type, so that's why I've put them all in one video. You can, as I said, you can place the order on my website www.mcluvcrafts.com. I hope you love these earrings. I really enjoyed making them. These are all handmade by me with polymer clay. So I hope you will enjoy wearing them as much as I enjoyed making them. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, then why don't you consider subscribing, because you don't want to miss any future upload. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.